Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Newsfeed is the constantly updating list of stories in the middle of your home page. Newsfeed includes status updates, photos, videos, links, app activity and likes from people, pages and groups that you follow on Facebook.
Take our lead.
The reason you can't see friends' status on Facebook is because of an algorithm Facebook uses to cut down the noise on your profile. This algorithm looks at which friends you've had the most interactions with, and then only shows you posts from those people.
Let's help you make your mark.
Facebook Help Team. If any of your feeds are blank, close and reopen Facebook to refresh your newsfeed or update the browser you're using. If that doesn't work, please use the Report a Problem link on your account to let us know more about what you're seeing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.